The reliability, features, and customer support that we've gotten from RepairDesk have been better than anything else we've used by far. Hi, this is Sam with Apex Tech Repair. We're located in Southern Maryland, and we've been in business for about a year now. If I were to rate RepairDesk out of a 5, I would definitely give them a 4.7. The reliability, features, and customer support that we've gotten from RepairDesk have been better than anything else we've used by far. Having a dedicated account manager that we can rely on when we have a problem or something goes wrong, or even if we just don't know how to do something, has been very, very, very helpful. We actually started our business with RepairDesk, and that has allowed us to get moving very quickly. And we've looked at other options since opening, and none have matched up. The features of RepairDesk, nobody else has them. The integrations have been very useful to us. Our inventory is a breeze because our vendors are integrated with RepairDesk. If we want to move to multiple locations in the future, we have the ability to do so. And there are a million other features that we can choose to expand into if we need those features.